YouTube, what's poppin', man? Hey, you know that grind ain't stopping. Shout out to my notification gang. Don't forget to get that bell ring, man. And hey, man, don't forget to like that video. Yes, sir. Hey, guys, today we're working on the Fox body, man. Finally got around to putting the water pump on. I already started working on it, but I wanted to bring y'all along with the process and everything. Kind of show y'all where I'm at right now. I already took off like the radiator. I took off the radiator hose, the radiator, the fan trowel and everything. Check it out. Got the fan right there. I'm gonna clean it up before I put it back in there. Just so it get you know, it might get a little cooler. I don't know. Got the fan guard. I thought this thing had a hole in it right here, but I'm gonna just the reservoir, I thought it had a hole in it. I'm just cleaning up. And I have my gloves on, just in case y'all was wondering. Got the radiator cap right there and everything. Just the old hose. I got the new water pump right here. Yes, sir. Matter of fact, excuse the garage guys. Just came back. Yeah. Look how far I got. I already drained the radiator. Don't worry, that dust right there, it got in there when I was cleaning up around the area. I'm gonna go ahead and take all this smog stuff off. I don't need none of that stuff. That's just extra weight and making the engine bay look ugly. I already cleaned, like I'm starting cleaning up these hoses and lines and everything. Make it look better. I'm gonna put a new water pump on. I'm trying to get a new thermostat housing. If I don't get the housing, I'm gonna just paint it black. I'm also paint this brace black right here. So that way it make the engine bay look a lot cleaner, because I already got a new alternator. I got a new compressor. Everything's pretty much new. New plugs, wires, distributor cap, everything. A lot of new parts on here, a lot of new parts. I haven't started it in like, oh my God, it's been a month or two now, but we're gonna get there, baby. We're gonna get there. So let me show y'all the radiator, because I also want to get a new radiator. It's been collecting a lot of dust. I got a car cover over there, but I still haven't even put it on yet. But actually right now the car kind of sitting a little lower. I like it like at this height. I want to get it a little lower. Yeah, this the radiator. Old radiator. I'm pretty sure it's from 1987, just like the car. I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. I don't want to throw that old one back in there. It's pretty corroded in the inside. I want my cooling system to be the best it can be. So, oh yeah, let me show y'all this as well. It's my little underdrive pulley. It's a little smaller pulley that I had on there. This pretty much go where the fan goes. To make it, you know, free up a little bit of horsepower. Get it quicker, get that horsepower in there quicker. I'm gonna start removing this stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and get the water pump off, get this brace off, and then I'll come back when I get you guys some more of a breakdown. So you guys, and just in case you're thinking about doing this too, hopefully the job not too hard. I got the gasket and everything. I've been procrastinating on doing this for a while, so hopefully it's not too hard. If so, I'm gonna get that thing shipped back, man. I'm gonna have to get it shipped to the shop. But where is it? Got dang crickets in here. Give me 1 second, guys. So I got the new hose. New hose here. Yep. My dog's in there going crazy. So here we go. Got the gasket. I mean, not the gasket, but the gasket maker, pretty much. I'm gonna put that on the gasket. Got the lower hose, the upper hose. I'm gonna take the stickers off, make it look nice. Yeah, man, we should be good, because I had a lot of issues with the coolant. My water pump was leaking real bad, so I'm gonna go ahead and change everything out, man. Because my AC working here, everything's good. So I just want to keep it up and keep the maintenance up on it. So give me a second, guys. I'm gonna break it down more, then I'll turn this thing back on. Peace. All right, I want to come to y'all with an update. Got the water pump off. That thing was disgusting. Here we go. Check me out. Thing is bad, man. Oh snap, it's leaking on the ground. Had to cut the hoses off because it was so corroded. So that's out of there finally. Can make this good upgrade. So what I did to make it easier, I went in, I took out the screws and put them exactly in the spot that I pretty much took them out of. So I know exactly where it lays, so I can't mess this up, man. It's dummy proof for me. Right now I'm cleaning all the gasket off, the residue and everything off the gasket. So the engine pretty dirty, man. I know I got a little small oil leak. Next gonna be these gaskets. So that's coming up next. Hey man, we're making a lot of progress, so I'm cool with it. I am cool with it. So hopefully I can get this done tonight, man. I still got to go to AutoZone, pick up a radiator. So hopefully I can get that tonight. If not, it's cool. I'll go pick one up in the morning. Hopefully everything's not closed because y'all know a lot of things closed during this time. But it's all good. We're going to get it done. So that's the update for right now. I'll be coming back to y'all in a second. Just wanted to show y'all I am using to clean the parts because I'm going to be painting this bracket. Remember I told you I was going to paint the bracket. I already cleaned it. Cleaned it with brake cleaner. I'm gonna spray some black paint on there. All right, guys, we're back. Storage filled up, man. These small little iPhone storages. So yeah, man, I got a little sand. Sanding it down just in case I miss any. I'm looking for the block right now, sorry. Got this little sand block just so I can get in there real good. Then also I got a little scraper to get the rest of the gasket off, man. You got to be real careful when you do it. You don't want to gouge out where the gasket goes too much because that'll cause a leak. So, but yeah, I'm gonna paint that bracket, and that bracket is gonna sit right here, and it's gonna be black. It's gonna cover it a little bit. It's gonna cover up all that gunk back here. I'm gonna try to clean it as best as I can with like some brake fluid, degreaser, and stuff like that. Try to get that stuff out of there. If not, it's fine. I'll go ahead and touch it up. But once I remove that thing and that thing, it's gonna look a lot better too. It's gonna clean up the engine bay. I'm gonna pop that thing and be like, oh, this thing pretty clean. Oh. But yeah, all right, man. We'll be back in 2 seconds. All right, guys, making progress. I messed up and I accidentally put the fan protector on before I put the actual fan on. So I did clean the fan. I cleaned it. It was super dirty. You can still see some of the residue left over, but it's all good. But it was super dirty at first. I mean, it look a little better now. I mean, I could like tape this off and touch this up, but I ain't gonna mess with none of that. I'm gonna just leave it in there because it's gonna be tucked off behind there anyways. Y'all see the new radiator in there already. That thing looking good. So I did paint this bracket right here because at first it was super like rusty and stuff. I should have painted the bolts and stuff, but I mean I could get a brush and just touch those up with a brush and some paint. But everything coming along. I got all the small hoses on there. I replaced this one. I replaced the one at the bottom. Got the new thermostat in there already. Good to go on that. Now I'm gonna just take this fan protector out again and go ahead and pop on the fan and a smaller pulley. I mean the pulley for the fan and everything. I want to get this gap out of here though. This gap kind of too wide. I want to bring this back, but this radiator is a little smaller than the one that came off. As you can see right here, this one a little thicker. It got a little more area and it stick up further. So this one kind of it doesn't stick up as far, and it's a little thinner. So it leaves that gap right there. But I mean, it's not too bad. It look good when you look at it like this. So we'll see. I'll see what I can do. Hop back on when I get done putting everything on. I still got to put the radiator hose on. So let me pop this thing out and then we'll get to business. Yes, sir. This thing came together. So you got the name brand belt on there, that Continental. Man, the battery dead on it. I think I'm gonna have to take this thing back. These Walmart batteries, I thought it was good, man. I thought these Everstar wasn't good, but I'm gonna have to go and give me a Duralast or something. This thing ain't supposed to be dying like this, man. I had left it unplugged and everything, but it still died on me, so whatever. So I'm letting the battery charge. I did get a new belt. I had a Continental on here at first, but it was a little too big. I mean, a little too tight. You could barely get it over the alternator with this, with the tensioner all the way up. Now this one got enough wiggle room. I'm gonna start it up. Once I start it up and everything, make sure it don't squeal. But see, I got the small pulley on there, and then I'm gonna run the car in here. It's not gonna run hot in here, so I'm gonna let it drain. I'm gonna open up the radiator. I'm gonna let that thing drain. Get the rest of that old fluid out there. Then I'm gonna put some new, excuse me, radiator fluid in here. Got this radiator fluid. I'm gonna probably have to go get another bottle. Oh yeah, if anybody want a motorcycle, man, y'all can have this thing, man. $4,500. It only got, I just started it up, make sure. 70 miles it got on it. 55 miles, ain't nothing. $4,500. 2014 Ninja 650, if you want it. I'm out here in San Diego, so hit me up. Anyways, so I got the coolant here. I'm ready to see how this thing run, man. I'm ready to take it around the block. See how it's running, man. Engine bay looking a lot better. There's a lot of new parts in here. Everything new, man. It's looking a whole lot better than when I first got it. I wish I had pictures when I first got it. It was all rusty looking and everything, but got a whole lot of new parts in here to keep this maintenance, keep the maintenance up. I'm trying to let it get enough juice. My next project gonna be trying to fix these little side windows, man. So you got the little neon lights in there. It's only like, they go off when I close the door, but. So yeah, man, I'm ready to get this thing started, man. I'm gonna try to keep y'all on the first startup. If not, I'll give y'all a video of it driving. I just tried to crank it. It ain't got enough juice yet, but once it get enough juice, man, we are in the game, man. Appreciate y'all sticking around. It's your first time viewing, man. Don't forget to hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. And check out the Hellcat. I always try to throw that in there. Still pretty clean after I washed it. Yeah. All right, guys. If I do get it started, I'll come back. If not, it's going to be the end of the video. Peace out.